share ko lang guys yung paano mag-fix ng color coding itong maliit na switch ng aircon. Pag ganito is naka mabilis na aircon. Ito yung high, ito yung low, tapos yung high, low, high. So bali kung naka-experience kayo na nakalimutan nyo anong coding ng itong tatlong wire na to, so share ko lang na mabilisan na. Ang coding nito is red, black, red, orange at black. Dapat nasa gitna yung orange at yung red is nasa